Hello there, I am Tiffany, and welcome back to more Papa's Pancakeria. Last time we did some thingamabobs that ended pretty good. And now, time to start more thingamabobs. Oh, hang on, I got more stuff, I don't even know what. But I did, that's pretty good. Okay, I got that guy, this person. Okay. And that person. Nice. I'm the best at giving thingamabobs. Oh yeah, I remember. I had 2 more thingamabobs that I got. Boom, boom, let's start. James. Okay. Bacon. We got bacon. Alright, let's see what we can do. Yes, that's how video games work, I guess. Person of James. Huh, that's weird. That's better, okay, never mind. Oh, wait, James, that's what you want? Bacon. Bacon. Looks like it is the first thing, so maybe it was supposed to be the first thing, but then they changed it. I don't know. A yellow whiff. That's a dumb name, by the way. Okay, I got it. Whiff. Like, what is whiff? It's not even a name. It's like a name, not name. Yes. I'm saying that. Alright. I was gonna say something, but then I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Whatever, I'll remember it later. And then I'll be like, I should say it in the video. But then it'll be already over and I'll be like, I don't know, being weird. I'm not sure. I didn't really think that far, I guess. Okay. Grego Romano wants that thingamabob. I can't do it right now because I'm doing other thingamabobs. Okay, one of you. And nope, passed it. That's not good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect score. And then I put another one on. 1, 2, 3, and then I put the... Oh, hang on, those are done. Bonk and bonk and bonk. Was it chocolate chip? It was chocolate chip. Alright, and then I put this stuff in. Perfect. And then I do... Hold on. Person. Y&B. Okay. Another. What is with all these thingamabobs? I don't even know. But I can do this one because it's only a 1. So I'll pop that guy in. And now back to number 1. Okay, what's this guy? Hang on. Oh, I forgot the maple syrup. Oh, well. Boop. There you go. James is perfect. Except I forgot maple. Yay! I am the best at video games. Alright, now for number 2. Okay, I gotta put that stuff there. Wait for it. Perfect score. Oh, hold up. Wait for it. Wait for the speed up. Speeding up. Yes, perfect. Alright, now we do that one. Oh, somebody else. Person. Okay. That makes sense. Well, where's this one? Oh, yeah, just 2 of these. Boop. My nose clogged up again. That's not good. Okay. I think I'm good. My nose is not as stuffy now. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, I put that there. And then I do that. And then I go bam. Done. Wait, hang on. You're gonna win? Hang on, I think it's gonna win while I'm in the thing. 1, 2. Okay, now I say number 2. There you go. With. Yay! I am the best. Alright, now time for number 3. Hang on. Person Allen. Okay. And now I do number 3. Okay. This stuff there, like that. Perfect. Hang on. Done. And flip. Perfect. And then I gotta get the chocolate chips. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And that guy in with the Iceman. Boop. Oh, hang on, somebody. It's Johnny. Oh, man. Okay, Johnny. Gotcha. Boop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, the bacon of the bits. Okay, coffee done. There you go, Gregor Romano. Have fun with that one. Come in. Nice. All right. Now I gotta do number 4, which was that Wyland, guys. Okay, do that. And then I gotta do this. Oh, hang on. My thingy-mabob is ready. Done. Okay, now I gotta get that stuff there like that. Perfect. And then I gotta do that with that one. Boop. There you go, Wyland B. Have fun. I did it. I'm the best at video games. Alright, next up is the Sinistru. I guess it is. Come on, put it in there. Thank you. Alright, what was it? Oh yeah, it's the honey first. Then it's the other one. Then it's that one. Okay, so like this. Perfect. And then back to honey, but I put the other one on. And then it's the regular sugar. Yes. Perfect. Like that. And done. And milk with the cocoa. Bam. Done. There you go, Wheater. Come in. I am the best at video games. Alright. Now I gotta do this one. Okay, I gotta do it again, but this time a little faster, because why not? Okay, that guy there. And then I gotta put the other one on top of him. And then I go over there and I put the next one on top of him. That's how I say it all goes together like that. Perfect score. Okay, now that guy. And then I put that one. Boop. And there we go, number 6. I am so good at video games. Alright, now number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I gotta put this stuff on top of it. And done. Perfect. Okay. Alrighty. It is all done. There you go, Johnny. Oh man, perfect score. Alright, what's my plan? What's my plan? I don't even know what my plan of plans is. But what's my score of scores? That's what I need to know first. Okay, alright, it's okay. And all right, Mitch's mess. Okay, this one's fine. Oh God, I don't see any of these. Okay, that's that one. I want the frying pan though. The banana, the celery stick, and I don't see the hot sauce anywhere. Oh, it was right there. Ah, whatever. Alrighty, time to start the next one. But up. Money, heck yeah. N. Okay. Wonder if there's any new thingamabobs that I gotta do. You know what? I'm gonna check that right now. Bam. Okay, what do I got? Nothing there. Okay, nothing there. Nope. Okay, I need to buy one more poster. Nope. Ah, here we go. Maple Mountain to Kingsley, Wildberry Waffles to Wendy, Daybreak Special to Dino, and Maple, okay. Raspberries to Brano Romano. Okay, I got it. I forgot all of them in 5 seconds. That's a new record. Okay, Edna. Gotta do yours. 1, 2, and then I put 1, 2. Activate the speed up. Boo. Come in. Phone. Person. Kari. Alright. 1, 2. Okay, let's continue the speed of up. Alright, perfect. Wait for it. Done. Then I do another speed up again. Yes, this is gonna be so good. Everybody is gonna see it and go, yes. Perfect speed up, Safari. That's what they're gonna say. But then again, I don't really know myself. Okay, and now I gotta do there. Perfect. Alright, now, oh my God, a person. Can you walk any slower? Doing. Okay, I got it. Alright, now 1, 2, 3. Alright, back to you. No, I want the that stuff. Okay, put that stuff on top of it. Perfect. And then, wait for it. 1, 2. And then I put another one on top. And then I put the competing thingamabobs of regular sugar and cinnamon sugar. Badonk. And badonk. And perfect. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3. And then I gotta put the butter on. 1, 2. Done! Hang on, somebody else. You, Greno Romano. Okay. You don't have anything for me to do, so I can't do yours. 1, 2 with that guy and that guy. Alrighty, let's continue our quest. Oh, hang on. Wait for it. Perfect. Boop. And then I do that guy with the cream of creamersons. Boop. And done. There you go. And now have fun with that one. What? You weirdo. It's perfect. Okay, whatever. 1, 2. And then I put honey on top of it. Yes, perfect. And then, no, I gotta put the cinnamon sugar on it. Person, Iggy. Oh, Iggy has a thingamabob for me, a different thingamabob. Okay, I got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So I gotta make sure I do Iggy's good because then I get a new thingy-ma-bob. That will be perfect. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, I was at here. Okay, add that stuff there. And then I add another one. And then I put the not cinnamon sugar, the powder sugar. That's what it actually is. Okay, put that there like that. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3. What's that thing I was going to think about? I can't remember. Oh, well. Phone person. Little Leonardo. Okay. 1, 2. And back here. Okay, now number 2. There you go, Akari. I'm in perfect score. I got a banana. 1, 2, 3. And now I gotta do 1, 2, 3. And then I gotta put that stuff there like that. And then I'm pretty much all done, which is pretty nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hang on, somebody. And what? Person. Zandwa. Okay, I got it. Zandwa. Weirdo. 1 and 2. Alright, back to this one. Like, that's still not a name. Okay, bunk and bunk. Done. There you go, Donan. Have fun with that one. Come on, give me 100, game. Whatever. 1, 2. Alright, speed that up because I don't want to wait too long. Alright, now number 4 is you with, where is it? That guy. Put that stuff on top of it. Perfect. And then I gotta put that stuff there. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I gotta put that stuff on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done. And that one, and with the ice. Boop. Oh, hang on, those are done. Come on, put the thing in there. Okay, number 5. There you go, have fun. Nice. Come on, give me 100, game. Whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I put that stuff there. Yes, perfect score, right, that. And then I gotta put this stuff on top of it. Yeah, like that. And perfect. With that guy, and then I put the thing on. Ba-doop. Number 10, this is 5. It's perfect! I did it. Finally, the game answered to me, and I got French whoopie pie. Okay. And now I gotta do this one perfectly, and then I'm done, which is pretty good. Okay, that guy, and then I put another one on top of him, and then I put another one on top of him. Yes, this is gonna go good. Wait for it. Perfect. Done. Number 6 is now done. Wait for it. Now it's done. Number 6 is done. There you go, little Leonardo. Come on, game. I just didn't get it. Whatever. Alright. And then I put 1, 2, 3. And then I put another one on top of it. And then I put the, where is it? There it is. Okay, wait for it. Okay, perfect. And then I put this stuff there, like that. Yep, that looks pretty good. And then finally, I put 1, 2, 3, 4. And bonk. With ice. Ba-doop. There we go. It is done. Come in. There you go, Zandua. Alright, what's my score today? Video game. And also, can I get some more money? Alright, what is it? Come on, please be good. It's okay. That's a lot of money I have. Oh, wait for it. Yay, bacon, buddy. Oh, man. Alright, maple shot. Okay, this one's actually fun. Pew, 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 pew. Gun. Take that, losers. Okay, I did it. Nice. Let's do another one. Because I can, and I will. Okay, and now again. 10 baddies. Ooh, that's a lot. That guy. Nice. Alright, I think that's good. So, until next time. Oh, I didn't mean that. I meant to hit the skip button. Oh well. I guess you're getting a little bit of a longer now. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now can I say until next time, game? I think I can. So until next time, on Papa's Pancakeria, we'll be going into the Cherry Blossom Festival. Until then, bye!